Welcome to another WP XPO tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create credit notes automatically in WooCommerce. If you need credit notes for refunds, order adjustments, or cleaner financial records, this tutorial will walk you through the setup step by step. We'll use a PDF Invoices and Packing Slips plugin that helps you create 6 essential WooCommerce documents, including credit notes, PDF invoices, packing slips, delivery notes, shipping labels, and pick lists. The plugin is called WowInvoice. You'll find the plugin link in the description. And after installing and activating WowInvoice, you will see it under the WooCommerce menu. Now we have to configure the credit notes and then enable it. This is the WowInvoice Builder. You can change the live preview options from here and choose Credit Notes Design from pre-made templates, which are coming soon. And in the right panel, you will get all the customization options. Now, let's configure the credit note. Before creating any WooCommerce document, it is better to set up your store details inside WowInvoice. You can modify your shop name, company tax ID, phone number, email address, and store logo. You can also check the store address, including the address line, country, state, city, and postcode. Additionally, you can add header and footer text like these that will appear on your generated documents. This is a one-time setup. Once added, the same store information can be used across all supported WowInvoice documents. The first thing to configure is the credit note layout size. WowInvoice supports 3 layout sizes for credit notes, a 4, a 5, and letter, but a 4 works well for most stores. Then, you can easily adjust the font size in 0.05 increments. Next, select the order statuses when credit notes should be generated automatically. For refund workflows, the most important status is refunded. So if you only want credit notes to be automatically generated after a refund is completed, select refunded. You can also include other statuses based on your workflow, like canceled, if your store also needs credit notes for canceled orders. WowInvoice can automatically attach credit notes to WooCommerce emails, so you should focus only on the emails that match your refund workflow. For example, if you want customers to receive a credit note after a refund, attach it to the refunded order email. If your admin team needs a copy, select the relevant admin or order email as well. From here, you can directly attach up to 3 extra files from the WordPress media library, such as refund terms, policy documents, or supporting files. Now, let's configure the customer download settings. This controls whether customers can download the credit note PDF from their My Account page or not. You can set it to Always, which means customers can download the document anytime from their My Account page. Or you can choose Never to hide the download options permanently from customers. The best option is choosing Specific Order Status, which means customers can download the credit note only when the order reaches selected statuses. You can also customize the label to something clear, like Download Credit Note. Next, set up the credit note numbering system. WowInvoice gives you 2 options. Use the WooCommerce order number or create a custom credit note number. If you choose a custom number, first set the starting number. This is useful if you do not want to start from 1. For example, if you have already created previous credit notes and want the next one to start from 255, enter that number here. Then add a prefix or suffix, such as CN. You can also use dynamic data in the number format. Just type here to see the available dynamic options. After that, set the minimum number length. Finally, check the preview to make sure the credit note number looks correct before using it on real orders. Now let's customize the credit note layout. Start with the header and logo section. Here, you can change the header text, enable or disable the logo, and adjust the logo size. Next, go to the date, numbering, and identification settings. This section controls the order and document information shown on the credit note. You can show the order date, credit note date, order number, invoice number, and more. You can also change the labels for these fields. You can add custom order meta fields as well. Next, move to the billing and shipping address sections. Using the checkbox options, you can show both sections, keep only one, or remove them completely from the credit note. You can also control what appears inside each section, such as the customer's email and phone number. Additionally, for every field, you can customize the label to match your store's document style. Now, let's adjust the product table. This is where the refunded or adjusted order items will appear. Each column label is customizable. You can show the product image, hide the product SKU, and change labels like item total or tax based on your document style. Below that, you can set the product sorting order and choose whether to include free or zero-priced items in the table. You can also display custom product metadata. Just select the meta key, add a label, and WowInvoice will show that metadata if it is available for the product. Now move to the total section. This controls the financial breakdown shown below the product table. From here, you can show or hide specific values and customize their labels. For a credit note, this section is important because it helps customers and store admins clearly understand the refund or adjustment amount. Finally, review the other settings. Here, you can check the order note to show, and also add terms and conditions by entering the text directly into the field. Credit notes are financial documents, so keep this section clear and practical. And that's it. WowInvoice also supports PDF invoices, packing slips, delivery notes, shipping labels, and pick lists, so you can manage multiple store documents from one plugin. If you want to try it, you'll find the plugin link in the description. The Pro version also comes with a 14-day money-back guarantee. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WooCommerce invoice and document tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.